everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, unless you've searched this video because you're not feeling well. For that, I am so sorry. I have 10 natural remedies for you guys to prevent you from getting sick with the cold or flu, and these also work for if you're sick right now. You could use these remedies to help support your body. These 10 remedies can help you while you're sick and as well to prevent sickness. And I'm not sick right now. I actually have not been sick all year. I have never gotten the flu shot. I strictly focus on healthy natural remedies. Other than that, let's get right into the video. My first remedy is to drink lemon water every single day or throughout the week with apple cider vinegar. I use 1 capful of apple cider vinegar. I just use the cap from the apple cider vinegar bottle. Make sure you get the Bragg's brand because that's really natural and it's organic and it has the mother in it. You want to make sure the mother is in it. That is the murky stuff that's all at the bottom of it. So make sure you shake your apple cider vinegar as well. And you're just going to use a capful, however many lemons that you want, and drink that throughout the week or every day, and it will just really help your metabolism and your immune system and with the detox process. My second remedy is to make your own DIY vapor rub. Vapor rub has a lot of chemicals in it and it's not organic. For that reason, we're gonna make our own. So let's get right into that. You're gonna use 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and peppermint. I typically use Young Living essential oils. The eucalyptus is from Eden's Garden, which was an old brand that I used to use, but I normally just use Young Living. You're gonna use 10 drops of each. You're gonna melt your coconut oil. I don't have a microwave. You could put it in the microwave if you'd like, but I simply just put it right into the stove top in a pan and let it liquefy. You're gonna mix the oils and the coconut oil together, and then you're gonna put it in the fridge or just leave it out, and it should become solid through a time frame. I just put mine in the fridge to make the process quicker. Now the peppermint is going to really help soothe and open up your lungs, and the eucalyptus oil is going to loosen up that phlegm and your congestion that you get when you get sick. The third remedy that I have for you is to make your own cough syrup. I like to make everything, like I said, naturally, so I made my own version of a vegan throat cure. What you're gonna need is a mason jar. I'm using blue agave, but if you want to opt that out for honey, you can do that, but I'm vegan, so I'm using the blue agave. You're gonna need lemon and Thieves Vitality oil from Young Living. The Vitality oil has a white label, and that just simply means that you can ingest it. You're gonna need a quarter size of a couple pieces of lemons to throw in there, full chunks, and then you're gonna need 2 lemons to juice. The recipe also calls for cayenne pepper, but I don't have any, and I forgot to buy it at the store. For that reason, I'm swapping it out for turmeric, and turmeric is really great for anti-inflammatory properties, and you're only sprinkling a little bit of the turmeric in there. The last ingredient that you need is a slice of ginger. You're gonna need the quarter cup of agave, and I'm just putting it all right into the jar. Then you're gonna juice the lemons. I shave off a little bit of a piece of a ginger in there, and I chop it up and make sure that the peel is not in it. Throw that in as well, and you're gonna use the essential oil drops. You can put up to 5 to 10 drops of each oil. I used 10 drops each of the lemon and the Thieves oil. You're gonna put the throat cure into the fridge for 24 hours. Make sure you shake it all up so that you get all the ingredients in there. And I put it in the fridge for 24 hours, and then you're good to go. You can take a tablespoonful of it, or you can add it to hot water and drink it as a tea. I would just have this once in a while just to drink because it tastes good as well. My fourth remedy is a simple one, and that's to take your vitamins, guys. Especially in today's world, you might not have the healthiest diet, but you want to have your vitamins, especially vitamin C. Vitamin C is gonna give you that immune boost and help your immune system. I have vitamin C every day. I have my Care of vitamins. I take all types of different vitamins. I take vitamin D, vitamin C. I take vegan omega-3s as well. I take a probiotic, and I take vitamin E oil. You might think that's a lot of vitamins, but that's just for me personally. It doesn't mean that you have to take that many vitamins. The one vitamin that I would definitely recommend is vitamin C, and if you don't want to take that in a vitamin form, make sure you get your vitamin C in the form of lemons or oranges, or as well, broccoli is a high content of vitamin C. You also want to make sure that you're eating your fruits and your vegetables, eating a whole food, plant-based diet, or striving for that kind of diet, and lessening eating out, having fast food, or dairy, or meat. Obviously, I'm vegan, so I don't consume dairy or meat, so I don't really go to fast food restaurants, but they don't really have anything for me. I stopped eating fast food a long time ago. Here and there, it happens. Focus on a whole food plant-based diet or just a whole food diet where you're having vegetables and lots of fruits in your diet. The fifth remedy that I have for you is to wear your winter clothing. Make sure you're wearing a scarf. On the back of your neck, you have the Du channel in Chinese medicine, and there's a couple points that are wind gate points, which means that wind can invade your body externally, meaning it could come out from the outside, whether it's the environment or from people, and always protect your body. Make sure that wind is not going into your body as well. Don't sleep with fans if you don't want that to happen as well in the bedroom. My sixth remedy is very simple, and that is to wear socks. You want to keep your feet covered when you're inside the home. For those of you who are new to my channel, I have a degree in the science of acupuncture. That is why I'm talking about the different channels and Chinese meridians and whatnot. The reason why you want to wear socks is because when your feet are on the floor, it's stimulating different channels in the body. If you have a cold hardware floor and you have your kidney channel there, you have a little bit of your bladder channel, and actually, like, if you do walk around and you have low back pain and you don't wear socks, that's probably why you have low back pain, is because from the cold floor, because it's called cold bee syndrome. There's a lot of explanation to go from that, and we're just gonna go right into the next remedy. So I'm gonna be your mom and just wear your socks inside your house. The seventh remedy that I have for you is to drink a lot of fluids. Obviously, this is common sense for most people, but drink certain fluids throughout the week to keep me healthy and vibrant the way that I am. The type of fluids that I like to drink is making my own homemade juices. That might not be the same for you, but I love juices, and I do believe that juicing vegetables and fruits can give you a lot of benefits, as well as having smoothies with the fiber too, because when you're juicing, it takes the fiber out of it. I love to have celery juice. I have celery juice often, especially because it really helps with inflammation and I have eczema. Juicing is just gonna overall help you with a ton of different antioxidants and health benefits, and that is my fluid of choice to drink throughout the week. I like to have celery juice, and I've made carrot juice as well because I bought a bunch of carrots from the farmer's market. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it above and I will put it down in the description box. Juicing can be expensive, so I like to have a couple of juices pre-made for myself in my fridge for me when I'm ready to have it right after my gym workout. The eighth remedy that I have for you is to spray down all of your doorknobs in your house with some type of antibacterial or disinfectant, and I like to use Young Living's Thieves spray. That is what I'm using here. Thieves has a bunch of different oils in it. Thieves is super beneficial, and I just love everything Thieves. It's not tested on animals. It's plant-based derived. It has no chemicals or parabens or any of that yucky SLS crap and stuff that it tends to be in your product. And this is a really good product for people who are sensitive to chemical, synthetic product, conventional products. I use Thieves for everything. I use it to clean my entire house. One remedy that I would tell you to do is this, because when you're sick or when you're going to the gym and going to the supermarket, you're touching everything. So just spray everything because you're constantly touching the doorknobs. I do this several times a week to keep the germs at bay. As well, use your Thieves hand sanitizer or use regular hand sanitizer, but I recommend using the Thieves hand sanitizer. I use that frequently, and I also use it when I'm at the gym because I'm touching a lot of different things. And the hand sanitizer was actually the ninth remedy, as well as Young Living has a Thieves spray. So anything that you have that's antibacterial, disinfectant, use that as much as you can. And also put your stuff in your diffuser. I use Thieves for everything. I have Thieves in my diffuser right now. You want to breathe in healthy air, and Thieves is a really great way to diffuse your room, and I just love it. I love it when I start feeling sick. It's a great way to help prevent it, and just a great way while you're sick to help your immune system as well. My 10th remedy would be to wash your hands. Now, I'm sure this is a common sense tip, but I had to include it because I'm always washing my hands, and I also use my Thieves soap from Young Living as well. Just using a really good soap that is antibacterial and disinfecting your hands, and make sure you wash your hands with 20 to 30 seconds. Make sure you wash your wrists. Just constantly wash your hands. I'm always washing my hands. I wash my hands after I'm putting makeup on, at the gym. Just constantly wash your hands. That is going to help prevent you from getting sick. That is all the 10 remedies that I have for you. Comment down below if you liked any of them or any of them were new to you, or if you have any other natural remedies that I didn't mention in this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe down below to support my channel and to support me and to keep up with me, because I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Stay gold, everybody. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.